Hi guys, and welcome to the video. In this one, we're taking a look at the Pro Series Adventure X Airbag Textile Jacket. Now, Pro Series products represent the highest echelon of product that you can possibly get from RST. Pro Series jackets and jeans contain the culmination of years of knowledge of manufacturing motorcycle garments, packed full of all the features and protection that you'd expect and designed to be class leading. And with Adventure X, that's exactly what you get. The clue is in the name. The Adventure Jacket and Jean combo has been designed as our adventure garment, suitable for anyone riding an adventure bike, or indeed anyone doing huge mileage that needs a garment usable in an extreme range of temperatures, from desert to Arctic conditions. In fact, Mick Extons actually rode the Dakar Rally in this garment that you see in front of me. Now, of course, it's a garment from RST, so it has to be packed full of protection. And so it's rated to CE or CA approval of level AA. That is absolutely outstanding for a textile garment. So to match, we also include CE level 2 approved elbow and shoulder armour as standard. As part of the in and motion airbag system that's built into this garment, we also have a CE level 1 approved back protector built in. Now remember, with that in and motion airbag system, you get an airbag that has extensive coverage, full thorax, abdomen, tops of the shoulders, and full length of the spine. In a smart system, it detects when there's an accident. It's completely autonomous, which means it doesn't need to have any external connections, either electronically or physical, to be able to work, and with super quick detection and deployment times, typically under 60 milliseconds. First feature I want to talk about on this garment is the materials that it's made from. The majority of this jacket has been made from what we call MaxTex, which is an exclusive to RST 600 denier polyester. It's very good at protecting motorcyclists, and we've been using it for many years. But we also have some extra protection built in. In the key crash areas of both your elbow and your shoulder, we include what we call ballistic material. This is even more hard wearing than the MaxTex and protects those areas which you put down first in the event of a fall. You can see it here on the shoulder and in the elbow in this black material. We've got even more protection built in. We include on this jacket our shoulder slider system. These TPU parts are designed to have a low coefficient of friction. If you do have a fall, the slider will deflect the energy away from your collarbone, and it's very good at protecting your collarbone from injury. This is also a waterproof product, and built into the garment is our removable, breathable, waterproof Synaqua liner, which I'll tell you more about when we go to the inside. But the outer material also has a Dwr treatment. Dwr stands for durable water repellency, and is a coating which helps water bead and run away from the outside of the garment. We do this to help the jacket remain nice and lightweight and not soak the rain up in the event of downpour. It means that when you do get caught in the rain, your jacket remains as dry as possible, and so there's less drying time at the end of your long shift in the saddle. Now, this is a jacket that is usable in such a wide range of temperatures, and that's because the waterproof thermal liner comes out, and we've also got lots of vents on the outside of the garment. These vents running up the arms have two zip heads, one at the top, one at the bottom, so you can fully customize your venting experience. They can be zipped all the way down, all the way up, or a mix of the two to really give you the vents that you require. These two large panels on the chest are actually vents as well. Simply unvelcro and zip down, and this panel will be able to be rolled away to the inside of the jacket. Look at that huge vent you've got on the chest now. That is going to flow a huge amount of air. And it's exactly the same with this one here. There's even further vents at the top parts of the shoulders. These are also zip closure. And although these look very small, these vents are the area of highest air pressure. So again, flow a huge amount of air. Because this has been a jacket designed to do many, many miles, you're going to need lots of areas to put your personal belongings on your Dwr Treatment. Two large and baffled pockets, which are both press stud and Velcro closure, keep your personal belongings safe. And we've even got Sinaqua waterproof liner to keep your personal belongings as dry as possible. There's lots of ergonomics on this jacket as well to keep you comfortable. The first ones are these ones around the arm. These have been put here so that when you take the liners out of the jacket, you can tighten the arms and keep the armour in place. So if there is a fall, you know the armour is going to protect you in the way that it's designed to. The waist adjusters have been designed to work with the airbag system and are elasticated. By tightening them up, it will create an air pocket and help retain any heat in the top part of the garment. And there's even more. There's a zip area at the hip, which has been designed again to tighten around your jeans and retain as much heat as possible in the garment. There's even a removable thermal collar, which has been designed to keep the wind out of that area. This makes a huge difference for riders. It really will retain a huge amount of heat. But if you are riding when it's warmer, it's also removable. A simple pop stud system and the collar comes away. If you did want to ride with the collar open, you can do. This piece of elastic that you see here, plus this press stud, means that you can pop the collar open and it will stop the collar flapping and annoying you. And if you're really in the extremes of heat, this jacket accommodates a hydration pack system. This loop is for keeping your drinks tube neat, as well as this loop here for routing around the top of your shoulders. If I show you the back of the jacket, you can see where that pipe comes round the top part of the shoulder and in through this panel here. The actual hydration pack sits under this zip here and hangs on these two hooks. The hydration pack and the drink system is available as an optional accessory from us. We need you to be able to move around on the bike and not be restricted by your jacket as well. So we've got motion panels in the backs of the shoulders. These are so you can really get that movement as you need on your bike. And we've also got them at the backs of the elbows. Again, you can bend and move around in the way that you need to and not be restricted by your garment. To complement the vents on the front part of the garment, we've got even more venting on the back. And again, these are both double head zips. Have them open or closed in whatever fashion you deem fit. And even more storage space. Look at the size of this mat pocket just here. This pocket is zip and Velcro closure, and again is lined with our Sinaqua waterproof membrane. But this one even comes away from your jacket, and it features a waist belt. You can pop your personal belongings on here, and you can take this with you if you need to, separate from your jacket. There's even a carry handle, so if you do need to carry your jacket around, you can grab it here and throw it over your shoulder. Let's take a look at the inside of the jacket. We've got even more storage, a Napoleon pocket, side of the body. And as we go to the inside, here's a very important bit of the jacket. This is the X-liner. It's a mixture of the waterproof and thermal elements built into one physical piece. This is made from our Sinaqua waterproof breathable membrane that we've been pioneering for over 10 years. It's designed for use in the motorcycle industry, and we are very proud of the performance that the Sinaqua waterproof membrane affords you as a rider. In fact, we print it onto the inside. The waterproof to breathability rating of the liner is 10,000 to 5,000. That basically means it's very waterproof and very breathable as well. And it's built with that thermal element as well. This is a quilted thermal liner, 125 gram fill to keep you at exactly the correct temperature if you are riding in the cooler climates. By being built together, it means there's less liners to have to deal with if you need to take them out. It reduces the bulk and it makes it easier to actually work with. The X liner is finished with a stuff pocket and a zip pocket, and it has a treatment which we call Sire on the inside. It makes the liner incredibly soft against the skin, and it's really easy to get the jacket on as a result. To take the X liner out, it's simple. There's a zip at each cuff, there's a zip at each side of the body, and there's a hanger press stud here. There's that X liner. We're now ready to ride in warmer climates. This packs down very small as well, and is really easy to get in the mat pocket or any of your panniers on your bike. Here's the jacket in its warmer climate setup. You've still got all the protective elements of the garment, but the waterproof and the thermal element have been removed. And I'm sure you can see that bright blue area. This is where the airbag sits within the jacket. Now you can really see the coverage that the airbag affords you. The liner on the inside of the jacket is made from our 3D bubble mesh. The 3D bubble mesh has been designed to keep the jacket away from you and create a micro climate. This helps with ventilation and moving the air around you to keep you at the optimum temperature. And of course, we want you to be able to zip this jacket to either the matching jeans or any other jean that feature the connection zip. It's attached to a piece of elastic to help you get your jacket and your jean together when you're wearing them both, and it's 360, so it runs all the way around the body for your absolute safety. Guys, I'm sure you will all agree, this is a jacket absolutely brimming with features. It's unbelievable what we've packed into this garment. If you're a rider, genuinely riding adventure style, doing rallies, or doing massive tours over many miles, riding in many different climates, this absolutely is the jacket for you. It's got that RST premium feel, it's got that RST premium protection, and it's a fantastic jacket and something we're super proud of within the RST range. Guys, I hope you found this video informative. Thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you next time.